See, my name is Suraj. I am a Vice President Finance of Akshaya Private Limited. I am in this real estate industry almost for 21 years. Professionally, I am a chartered accountant, and also I have done my executive finance from Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta. There is a lot of scope to Akshaya Private Limited being in this industry for 26 years, and they are diversified in a lot of areas like plot, commercial, residential. So there is a lot of scope for this company to explore. See, under the leadership of Chiti Babu, we have been seeing that he has delegated a lot of things to the team members here. So that is the correct approach of any leadership quality. So with this, you can have a lot of exposure to various things. I think we can achieve the targets what his mission is there. He is kind of giving a liberty to have explore yourself into various fields. So I have seen that people who have worked for almost 20 years also, they were doing earlier some other activities, now they are doing something else. So there's a lot of scope for that. So now you will see the company who is ethically in this business, they only can sustain. Their sustainability you can guarantee them. So I have a lot of industry friends who are in this infrastructure, real estate, construction industry. We talk about Akshaya also, wherein we get a very good reference about Akshaya Private Limited. Akshaya has kept that branding from past 26 years. So people talk about Akshaya in the market, especially in Chennai market. I've seen that. So I normally conduct the meeting with the finance team, my accounts and finance team, wherein I tell them this is what you have to do, and also they try to bring out the new knowledge which is required for all of us, even though I may not be knowing that particular subject. So always I encourage my team members to come out from that. It is always my objective is them to learn. You have a lot of things to study. There are a lot of things daily happening in the real estate market. You can read them and you can tell us what is happening. So I tell them that when you are coming on board, you will have a lot of exposure. So that after 10 years, when you look back, you feel that you have learned a lot of. So this is how I encourage my team members here.